Whoa. Dude, I'm so dark. First off, before we get into the board setup, I've posted 2 videos. This will be my 3rd. Each video has over 100 views and I have 20 subscribers. That's freaking amazing. I appreciate every single one of you. I know there are millions of hours of video uploaded to YouTube, so if you check out my stuff, it just means that much more to me. But now, let's get to the board setup. So I am going to be replacing this is an Andrew Brophy Hello Kitty collab girl deck. We're going to be replacing this deck with, this is a chocolate Kenny Anderson deck. I've never skated chocolate decks before, but they're from the same company as Crailtap, and I love girl decks, so can't go wrong. Now this deck right here, this is a size 8, this is my first board ever as an 8. Before this, I skated 7.75, so I replaced it with another 8. This is actually a little more concave than what I usually skate. I usually skate pretty mellow concave boards. And that we are going to be setting up with Mob grip tape. Nothing fancy. I actually don't like my boards too grippy. I like them less grippy because the way I flick, it allows me to get more height out of my kickflips or ollies or whatnot. So let's get to gripping the board. Now, I don't do anything crazy with my grip. I actually like my grip pretty black, and then I usually do a little bit of art on it, but let's put this on here. I always, so I guess there's like kind of like weird things. I always cut on one side, so then once I'm done gripping, there we go. I then just use this end, right? So I'm not using a super long piece and having to cut the grip. I just use this end here to sand down the edges. So for my trucks, I got some Venture Blacks. I'm not sure the actual model, but they are the 5.25s. Wheels, I am riding the Spitfire Classics 100 durometer. So durometer just determines the hardness of the wheels. So these are good for hard ground or skate parks, doesn't matter. Bearings, I am rocking the Bones Reds, and then I use Diamond Hardware, so don't focus on that. Cool. 7/8. This is the nose. I always put the colored bolt on the top left. And the new board would not be complete without sticker job. So this is from my homie Ted. That's who actually I bought this board from. He has a skate shop here in Tacoma, hence Tacoma. It's called 2 Feet Skate. I will link his website. He has a YouTube channel and an Instagram. I will link all that in the description. But yeah, if you're ever in the Tacoma area or in Washington, I would highly recommend checking out his shop because he's super knowledgeable. He's for the community. Okay, so to recap, we got Mob Grip, Diamond Hardware 7/8, Venture Chucks 5.25s, Spitfire Classics 100 durometer 51 millimeters, and Bones Reds bearings with the Kenny Anderson chocolate. Nice dream deck. So that's it for the setup. I'm gonna be skating in a couple of days, so I will actually get to try this out, and I'll be skating with some homies from where I grew up in Tacoma. So keep an eye out for that video. Thank you guys for checking it out, and again, thank you so much for the support. I'll catch you guys out there. Keep grinding.